As I was browsing my phone, I saw Elenco and I joined it and I started learning how to make the brooders for the young chicks. Then I learned how I can vaccinate, like Newcastle, Gubro. I learned from Elenco, and when I did it, my chicks improved. They were not dying the way they were dying some years back. I can encourage other farmers to join Elenco because it is not time consuming. You can learn online. You can learn anytime. You can improve your chicken through Elenco. You can learn the vaccination. You can learn about construction. You can learn it online, which is not time consuming.